Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use or enable gesture navigation in Vivo Y03T. If you're using Vivo Y03 and you want to use gesture navigation in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to enable simple settings, open your settings, then scroll down and look for system navigation or system management here, select it, here select system navigation, and here you just have to look for gesture navigation, just tap on it and it will be enabled. Your three navigations button will be disabled and your gesture navigation will be enabled. You'll get a bar of this type. Now let's see how can we use this. You just have to pull from left to right edges to go back, just like this. And if you want to go to your home scene, just have to pull it up to go on your home screen. How can we check our recent apps? So pull it up and hold to see your all recent apps that you have. So that's how you can easily enable and use gesture navigation on Vivo Y03T. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.